Hi guys, back with me again, Dennis Wang, and today I want to do a quick review for this compressor from 1airbrush. And I have here as comparison is Hobby Mio compressor. But before I get to that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share if you want. I'm not comparing from the size, okay? Obviously, this is bigger and this is smaller. But both work well like how normal compressor should work. The key difference is from the noise. Let me turn on Hobby Mio. Okay, and now I will turn on 1airbrush. And it is on. Let me get the camera closer. You could hear the sound from the compressor. This is at full power. Back to 1airbrush compressor. This is a total game changer for me because I usually do airbrushing for like 6 to 8 hours, and this noise here, even though it's not so loud, the person in the next room cannot hear it. It is only noticeable if you are in the same room, but the keep repeating grrr, yeah, you keep hear that for 6 to 8 hours, it could get into your nerve. But this guy here, sometimes I even forgot that I turned it on. If you're curious and want to know more info about this compressor, I will put a link to the website in video description. I guess that is all for today, guys, and thank you for watching.